Hello everybody and welcome back to Sadie Stuff. I know in my first video I put out I said I was going to be showing you guys some of the artsy stuff that I like to do. So in this video I'm going to show you how I made this cute little Minecraft tulip. So feel free to keep watching and we'll get right on into that. First and foremost, we have to make sure we've got the wooden blocks. I got mine from the Dollar Tree, and for this specific flower design, I needed 48 of them. So I got those out, and then I had my paints, which I had 2 different greens, an orange, and a white that I used to mix up all the different colors I needed. I made 4 greens, and then I had 3 different oranges for what the reference picture told me I needed. So I got those, and then just painted all of the blocks. So for a majority of my time spent on this, I painted each block individually. I did all the sides minus one because I figured that at least one of the sides would never be seen, so I'd just either tuck it in the back or against one of the other blocks. But you can feel free to paint the whole thing if you want, or even just the top half. As soon as I had all of my green blocks painted, I then moved on to the orange, which I had 3 of each, and once those were all painted, I waited for everything to dry before I began gluing it all together. As soon as all the paint was dry and all the blocks were touched up, I then began laying them out in the order that I wanted to glue them in. That way I knew where everything would go, and it was all set up how I liked it, just to make it easier on myself in the long run. So here's me setting them all out and making sure I liked the colors where they were and that they kind of matched my reference picture, and then after that I started gluing everything. As I began to glue everything together, I realized that hot glue may have not been the best choice, as it makes a few gaps between the blocks, but it was already too late to turn back, so I continued on. But for your project, I might recommend wood glue or something else that's less thick so it doesn't leave so many gaps in between the different blocks. The leaf part took a bit as I went row by row, trying to make sure I kept everything in the right orientation and where it was supposed to go. But once everything was finally done, I then added the top of the flower to it, and voila! Thank you so much for watching my video here at Sadie Stuff. I hope you liked it, and we'll see you in the next one.